Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Now today we are going to be installing some brand new wheels on the Passat. I ordered some wheels off of Fitment Industries and they finally arrived today. Now I accidentally put the address as my mother's address and then I tried to get it changed to my address and it was like a whole thing, so I ended up just keeping it at my mother's address. So we have to go and pick the wheels up right now, so that's what we're gonna go and do. Now these wheels from the previous owner are curb rash to absolute fuck. Like, I don't know what they were doing. All four of them are like this. Like, they're even peeling on the outsides here. So I'm super excited to get some nice aftermarket wheels and actually take care of them. I'm probably gonna keep these ones on for the rest of the winter, but I do want to see what they look like on the car. So we're probably gonna end up putting them on the car and then taking them back off the car and then putting them back on the car in spring, because I don't want to destroy my brand new wheels in the New York winter. Alright, so I just got to my mom's house and I have a little bit of a confession to make. Now, by the title and the thumbnail, you probably already know, but I bought Reps. Now, before you get all on my face and tell me, oh, Reps are bad, this, that, hating on Reps, I'm gonna explain later why I bought Reps, but as of right now, we're gonna get these in the car and then we're gonna take them home and I'm gonna unbox them and show you what I got. Weird ass packaging. Damn, that's a sharp ass key. Oops. Sheesh! I already scuffed the back. No, I didn't. These are nice as fuck. These are the brand new wheels for the Passat. They are 6.9s, or 969s I think they're called. And they are TE37 Reps. Because I am not paying $4,000 for wheels right now. And it is wrapped with some little Neogens. I heard some pretty good things about these tires, and they're pretty cheap, and they got some pretty aggressive tire tread. So yeah, I'm out of breath. I want to roll it over to the car. That's gonna look sick as fuck.
Hello? Hello? Oh. Ooh. Ooh, it's bright. Ugh. Let's see if I can see myself. All I want to do is go shopping, but I'm broke. So I have to stand out in the cold and watch him put away, or put in the car, tires in the car. I'm a little tired. So yeah, but I want to go shopping. I want to go thrifting, but he's not going to take me today. I kind of just want to go home right now and lay in bed and be warm, but instead I'm standing in the freezing cold. I don't know what he's doing right now. I think he's going to go find a knife because he sucks at opening this. I want to do it. Okay. There's a package within the package. I wonder what this is.
Lug nuts.
He said they're lug nuts. So we got the second one open. We have to use a knife because this plastic. So yeah, I put it into the garbage like a good girlfriend because I have nothing else to do. I'm freezing out. So yeah.
Nice.
Garbage. The last tire.
Don't want to poke the tire.
Okay, so this is the car. We got them all in. Oh, this is getting done. Right there. Got the stuff in the garbage can. Now I have to close the garage door. I don't want to. He almost slipped and fell. But now it's time to go home.
Camera.
Oh, he's taking it. No, no, no.
Bella thinks that it's her channel now. She's taking over. She's filming all the things I'm supposed to be filming. Confront her. Bella.
What?
You know this isn't your channel, right?
It is now. I'm taking it over, bitch.
Alright, so we are on our way home now. We're gonna throw these on, see what they're looking like, and then...
I'm not filming. I'm not filming. You're putting this fucking thing on a tripod. It's too cold outside. I'm laying in bed.
We're going home right now, and I'll tell you guys back on when we get home.
So Tyler dragged me to the car wash.
Alright, so we're gonna wash it real quick because it's really gross. It's all salty and dirty, and I want to see what it looks like clean with the wheels on. So yeah. Alright, so she is for the most part clean. I just wanted to get all the salt off of it before we got the wheels on it. And I did notice that there is a giant dent right here in my rear fender. And it is starting to rust a little bit in there, so I definitely want to get this fixed at some point. And then there's also some gouges in the rear bumper here. I don't know if you can see them on camera or not. But yeah. Alright, so we're back, and I'm having Bella put the hub-centric rings in right now. And then we're going to jack up each corner at a time and put the new wheels on. I'm going to be using my new Badlands jack, my off-road jack on my sedan, which only makes sense. Now this thing came with, obviously it has different sensors in the tire, so it came with a tire pressure reader, like solar thing. It's weird. I'm probably just eventually going to go to a shop and get them scanned into the actual car's computer, because it's probably going to put a light on my dash, which is it sucks, but for right now I'm just gonna have to deal with that. And then it also came with new lug nuts, and obviously aftermarket lug nuts always come with a socket, so we're gonna get these on, see what they're looking like. And also I looked it up. I'm just a dumbass. I accidentally ordered gray wheels instead of black wheels, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it for right now. Look, you can see the ice melting. I'm so ADHD. Look at it.
It's like bubbling up there. That looks so cool.
Yeah. Anywho, I'm a dumbass and I ordered gray wheels instead of black wheels. So me and you are either going to plastic dip these or paint them eventually, because obviously I want the whole car to be blacked out. But for right now I'm just going to have to deal with it. I haven't actually looked under this car yet. It's actually like not rusty at all. Oh. Very good, very nice. It's time to take this out.
Can I do the next tire?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to try it, guys. Wow.
There they are. Now we're gonna ugga-dugga them on because I don't have a torque wrench. How many ugga-duggas do you think we should be putting on these?
4.
That's way too many ugga-duggas, Bella.
25.
I think it would break before I could do 25.
2 million.
Okay. Let me see. Damn, those look sick. Now they're a little bit wide, they're a little girthy, but that's okay. Now we can take the stickers off. Dun, dun, dun. You guys were wondering what tires I'm running on this hoe. They're Nitto Neogens 245 by 35 by 19. And yeah. Now I'm not going to bore you guys to death with putting the rest of these on, so I'm just going to snap my fingers and all of the wheels will be on. And just like that, all of the new wheels are on. Now, because of the sun, you can hardly see them. There you go, that's a little bit better. But they look absolutely insane. I love these so much already. You can only really tell that they're gray if you look up close. Like from far away, they look black. So honestly, I'm not even really going to worry about that right now. But these things are girthy as hell. I'm gonna have to see if they rub at all when I turn. We'll check that in a minute. We're also gonna see if it puts my tire light on. But once this thing is lowered, it's gonna look absolutely insane. It's gonna have some crazy fitment. In the front, we already have some poke. And then also in the rear, we have some poke. But they look really nice. I'm also gonna have to get some bigger brakes now because, yeah, that is a lot of room in there for some breakage. I know they make Volkswagen R32 conversion kits. They make Porsche conversion kits for brakes. There's a couple of different big brake kits you can put on these. Once I do need new brakes, I'm definitely going to be getting bigger, better brakes because we can't be having all this space in our wheels. It's a little less up here because obviously the front brakes are always bigger than the rear brakes. And yeah, we're gonna start this up, see if it gives us a tire light, and then we're gonna see if it rubs at all. Alright, so let's see if it rubs going right first. I should really get Bella for this, but Bella's cozy on the couch and I don't want to disturb her. Alright. Let me see. Alright, doesn't seem to be rubbing that way. This way. It doesn't seem to be rubbing that way either. So we're good for right now. I guarantee you once we lower it, we're gonna have to camber it a little bit so that it doesn't rub. I'm gonna get copyright striked. But yeah, I do want to give her a little rip and see if the tire light does come on. So I'm going to turn it around and give her a little rip around the neighborhood. Alright, so far nothing. I'm just going to keep recording in case it does come on though. Still nothing. Very interesting. Alright, well, first drive with it. They feel nice. I'm very excited to see how much more grippy these tires are than the ones that I had on it, because I had some pretty bald all seasons on it, and these are more so a performance all season. I've heard good things about these. I've heard bad things about these tires. I've heard they're pretty shit in the rain, so I definitely want to see about that because I do daily drive this, so I will be driving it in the rain a lot. But I'm very excited with how these look on the car. They look even better once we get the bigger brakes on the car as well. And now I need to explain to you why I bought Reps. Now I'm going to be very transparent here. Altogether, I think with the wheels and the tires and the lug nuts and everything, sensors, all of that, it was like around $2 grand for all of it. Now, just for 4 TE37s, like the wheel that this is made to look after, would be $4 grand. No tires, no nothing. So already double the price of what I paid for the Reps with the tires, lug nuts, and sensors. So from like an economical point of view, it doesn't really make too much sense to get TE37s, especially for a daily. Now, I do plan on eventually buying TE37s for the Passat, but that is once we start to do some more like performance upgrades and it's no longer a daily. Once we finish Beep, I do have big plans for this. I don't want to spoil them yet, but I do have big plans for this, and I do want to actually make this into a car that I can take to the track and rip around, maybe to the drag strip. And that's when I will be getting TE37s, when I'm actually going out and racing it and I need actual race-worthy wheels. These are just daily-worthy wheels. That's why I end up going with the 969s instead of the TE37s. I know I'm probably going to get a lot of hate in the comments for getting Reps, but honestly, I don't really care. A lot of people do it because it is the more economical, friendly thing to do, especially in this economy. Yeah, so ending off my little spiel of why I bought Reps, this is where we are going to be ending off today's video. I have so many more videos coming out with putting different parts onto this, and eventually we're going to be doing some fun stuff with this. So if you do want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of the new wheels. Let me know what you think about Reps, and if it's a good idea to get Reps for your daily, and let me know what you think of how they look on the car. And I think this is where I am going to be ending off today's video. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.